Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a standout in the motocross world, the 2026 Kawasaki KX 450. Known for its high performance and competitive edge, the KX 450 has long been a favorite among serious riders and racers alike. The 2026 model builds on that legacy, pushing the boundaries even further. Let's take a closer look at the key updates and why the new KX 450 is a force to be reckoned with. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Kawasaki KX 450 gets a refreshed look, staying true to its aggressive and dynamic style while introducing more functional design elements. The bodywork has been refined for better aerodynamics, offering improved airflow and a sleeker profile. Kawasaki has also made updates to the frame, which now features more advanced materials for better rigidity and weight distribution. The green color scheme remains iconic, with new graphic designs that enhance the bike's bold, high-performance attitude. The revised ergonomics ensure a more comfortable and controlled ride, whether you're tearing up the track or hitting tough trails. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 KX 450 continues to impress with its potent 449 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the engine for smoother power delivery and improved throttle response, giving riders better control across various conditions. The powertrain is paired with a redesigned 5-speed gearbox, which optimizes shifting for faster acceleration and less rider fatigue. The suspension has also been enhanced, with updated Showa components offering improved shock absorption and more stability at high speeds. The KX 450's advanced electronic system now includes a quick launch system, giving riders an edge off the line with reduced wheel spin and a smoother start. Safety and technology. The 2026 KX 450 comes with an impressive suite of tech upgrades designed to give riders more confidence on the track. The bike features Kawasaki's updated launch control, which helps prevent wheel spin during starts, and the all-new electronic traction control system, allowing for smoother power delivery in various conditions. The digital display has been updated for better clarity, showing crucial metrics like lap times, throttle position, and engine performance. With improved braking power from the updated disc system, the KX 450 ensures better handling and control when decelerating at high speeds. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KX 450 is a highly refined motocross machine that continues to dominate the competition with its powerful engine, cutting-edge technology, and precision engineering. Whether you're racing in professional events or simply pushing your limits on the trail, this bike offers unmatched performance. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motocross news, reviews, and in-depth looks at the bikes that make the difference on the track.